So pretty. Hey friends, my name is Tracy. I'm a realtor here in San Antonio, Texas with Keller Williams Heritage. And today I want to take you on a tour of this beautiful Highland home. It's a brand new built home. It just became available for sale, and it's located on the west side of San Antonio, Texas in the master plan community of Davis Ranch. And this home is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, has over 2,700 square feet. Gorgeous features throughout. Wait till you see this entire kitchen and the master ensuite and my little surprise here. You're just gonna have to stick around and see what that is, but there's just so many great features to this home. Highland Home has a reputation of being a top quality builder here in San Antonio, Texas, and I can't wait to show this home to you. Make sure that you stick around for the surprise. And also, I just looked at a home yesterday, same model as this one, and it just became available for sale, and it sold like within a couple of days. So these homes are actually kind of moving here. I'm starting to see a pickup here. August, beginning of September, we're starting to see more buyers coming out and purchasing. So if you're interested in this home or you want more information on this home or any other properties in the area, make sure you reach out to me. My information is in the description below. So let's get this tour started. Guys, right here in the front entry, as soon as you step in, you've got this beautiful chandelier overhead in this wide corridor. You got room here for a small entry table. And these high ceilings are throughout the entire home, which gives it a really nice open air, upscale look to it. It's just makes it a lot more dramatic. Here's your office space with your double doors. And these light wood floors really complement the home and make it really nice and neutral, so you can decorate it however you want to. And then next on your left, you've got, let's go to the back here because this is pretty special. This is your bedroom with ensuite. And so if you've got some out-of-town guests staying with you, or an older kid that might be living with you, or you might have a parent or two living with you, this is a great multi-generational room. And they would have their own linen closet, also for storage. Then inside here, you've got a full bathroom, as you can see. Tastefully decorated. And then in here, you've got your walk-in closet. They have plenty of room for other storage needs in here. Heading back into the hallway here, you've got our half bath. Love this tile floor. And that's a really nice size half bath. I've seen a lot of very small ones. So that one's really nice sized. And let's head down this corridor, see what's next. All right, on the left here, these are our other secondary bedrooms. This is bedroom number 2. This is a very large room in the contour ceiling. There's a nice feature in here. Gives us some character. And then this one's got a walk-in closet. It's a good size. And before I forget, I just want to point out these tall windows that are throughout the entire home. Really bring in a lot of natural light. And this bedroom is identical to the last one, also with a walk-in closet. And this is bedroom number 3. So remember, you have 4 bedrooms total, plus your office space. And then here, you've got your secondary bathroom. Really nice. And then you've got got a separate shower toilet, which is nice and convenient for a shared space. Everything's nice, calm, neutral, ready for you to decorate it, make it your own. And here you have this huge storage closet that is crazy. So you could use this space as like a coat closet if you want to. We're not too far from the front entry. And you could use this as like a secondary pantry area, plus storage, whatever you want to make it. But you've got a lot of room in here to organize. Right, heading into this beautiful space. Let's start over here with our electric fireplace. And this great room area has a little surprise there off to the right that I will show you here in a minute. But look at this wide open space. You can fit all your bulkiest furniture in here. Such a nice inviting place. You've got the fireplace there. You've got your gorgeous kitchen that we're going to get into here momentarily. And you've got these extra tall windows in here that just really, really open the space up and bring more light and more space into this area. Let's go ahead into our little bonus area here. I'm excited about this because really, I mean, even if you didn't have this, you would still have so much space in this house already and room for everything, but you've got this bonus room here, this flex space. You could use this as your formal dining room. You could use this as a kid's playroom. This could be your home theater, a game room. There's so much you could do with this space. This is a really large room also. And you can close it off and it's nice and private in here for whatever you use it for. Absolutely beautiful. I love that feature. And behold this grand kitchen. There is so much to cover in this kitchen, but I'll let it kind of speak for itself because obviously it's very nice and white and open and just has a nice modern feel to it. It's very, very clean. You've got this massive island here for all your family to gather around, all your friends. Imagine all the parties you could have at this island here, all the baking, the food prep. Put all your holiday spread on here. You've got enough room for all of that. And then over here you've got an extended countertop as well. This is all quartz. Beautiful. This appliance is your 5-burner gas stove, and you've got your attractive hood overhead there. These are Frigidaire Gallery brand appliances in here. Then on the island here, you've got this really big farmhouse sink here that's just, it's nice and deep. Lots of room in there for doing any sort of projects, cleaning. Lots of space there, and it's just that really pretty porcelain white, which just blends in beautifully with everything else in here. And these gorgeous pendant lights. I'd probably lift these up just a little bit more, but you can with the chain up there. Really nice. Let's take a look at our, you've got so much cabinet space in here. I'm not hurting for storage space in your kitchen. Microwave and built-in oven. And then over here is where your refrigerator space would be. You've got storage above that. Plus this area here, this could be your coffee bar with more cabinets. All right, let's move to the back here. And let's go ahead and show you the laundry room. Very nice space. And this is deep enough here where you can fit your cleaning items here off to the side, if you prefer not to store those in one of the hall closets. And we're opening up your pantry. So in addition to all of the cabinet space in there, you've also got this pantry here. And next in line we have our garage. This is your tandem 3-car garage. And as soon as we step out here, we have our tankless water heater. This is your tandem area here, which could be, you could use as a workshop. You could use it to put a vehicle, all your toys, make it a home gym if you want to. Sky's the limit. Got lots of options in here. And then you've got your 2-car garage up in the front here. And these garage door panels are insulated, which is a huge help in making it feel a little cooler in here, especially during the hot summers. And as you can see, first of all, it's extended height in here, so it's a little bit taller than your average garage, but also it's completely finished. You've got all your drywall up, all your painting done. Even got trim work in here. So you don't have to do anything here as far as finishing the garage up, unless you want to maybe epoxy the floors, make them a little extra fancy. Off to the side of the kitchen here, we have a really large dining area. So this could be your formal dining space. It could just be a breakfast nook if you want it to be. If you decide to use your bonus room as a formal dining room, then this could be more of a casual space, but it does have plenty of room to make this more formal. You could put a really long, really nice formal dining table in here, and you'd have plenty of room for that. So just keep that in mind. And we are going to head back to the primary master suite. Look at this. I'm already loving these bay windows here in the back. They're so tall. They almost take up the entire wall. They're just absolutely gorgeous in this space. As you can see, there's a bit of a nook there, so if you want to make that a nice sitting area to relax, read a book, have your morning coffee, whatever you want that space for. And then you've got plenty of room over here for, or this bedroom's got plenty of room for a king size, plus other furniture in here. Okay, one more look-see here. We'll head into the ensuite. These nice double doors. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous countertops. His and hers vanities. You've got plenty of cabinet space underneath here. And then off to the side here, you've got this deep freestanding tub here. This is porcelain and absolutely beautiful. Right next to that, you've got your walk-in shower. And let's head into your walk-in closet. This is large. Also, they take advantage of all the wall space in here, so you've got lots of room in here for all your clothing. And you could put some built-ins in here if you want to further organize it, but this is a nice size walk-in. Heading to the back, Of your ensuite, you've got your water closet, and this is a nice deep room here. Plenty of space in there. I also want to point out that this home has 8-foot doors throughout the entire house, which adds again to that dramatic character, makes it feel a lot more upscale. Everything's really sturdy and tastefully put together. All right, friends, we are gonna head to the backyard. Go see what that's about. Now there is some construction going on right next door, so just ignore the banging and the nail guns and the saws and all that good stuff. I do have my external mic on, so hopefully that will help a bit. Look at this beautiful covered patio. There we go. Sounds like they're having a party over there. Look at this beautiful space out here. It's so nice. And you've already got some trees that are established back here. This community, they did try to preserve many of the trees in the yards where they could. You've got a lot of live oak trees and other varieties back here. Just carefully backing up here so you can take a look at the outside. And like I mentioned, I didn't mention, this home has 4-sided brick, which is great for insulation, but also the aesthetic of the home. And you've got the steep gables on the top there. So this is a pretty good sized backyard. It's not huge, but it's plenty of space for kids to come out, run around, for your dogs to play in, and you've got room back here for a pool. But Davis Ranch has 2 recreation centers with very nice pools, if you'd like to take advantage of those. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today's tour. Thank you so much for coming along with me. Another gorgeous house with a perfect layout and so many beautiful features throughout this home. What did you think about it? Could you see yourself living here? I hope that you'll stick around for more tours ahead. So if you would consider subscribing to my channel, I have a lot more content coming up. We'll be putting out videos very regularly and also covering lifestyle videos for San Antonio as far as things to do in and around the city, what it's like to live here, what different communities look like, and all that good stuff. But I have a lot of stuff planned for the future, so I'd love for you to stick around and follow my channel. And if you would please like this video, if you enjoy this content, I'm going to move on to the next home, and I will see you guys in the next tour. Bye-bye.